Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Physiology Learning. In today's Explain Why series, we are going to discuss why touching or rubbing near the injured area relieves pain. All of us would have experienced this phenomena. So whenever we are injured at any part, we usually massage the surrounding regions so that the pain sensation from that particular injured area reduces. Let's try to understand what is the basic physiological process behind this simple mechanism. So the basic physiological mechanism behind this is the gate control mechanism of pain. This mechanism is called as gate control mechanism of pain. And let's try to understand them. First, in the spinal cord, there is a region called as dorsal horn. All of us know this. Through this dorsal horn, all the sensations are carried to the central nervous system, that is the brain. So, the pain fibers are A delta and C fibers. So what does this pain fibers do is, whenever they get stimulated, the A delta and C fibers, this stimulation will go and inhibit a nucleus called as substantia gelatinosa. This is also the nucleus of dorsal column, and this nucleus gets inhibited. What is the function of this nucleus? This nucleus usually inhibits the pain carrying sensations. So now this is inhibited, so pain obviously will be carried, and at the same time this A delta and C fibers directly reach the dorsal horn and open the gate of pain mechanism. So whenever they are activated, they are going to open the gate of pain mechanism, and finally they are going to reach the pain and cause the pain stimulus. Now how this is blocked? This is blocked with the help of another group of fibers, that is our A delta and A beta fibers. These are large fibers. These are not the pain fibers, they are mechanosensitive fibers. And because of their structure, they are large in size. What they do is, they can go and inhibit the stimulus that is being carried by the pain receptors. What it does is, for example, now the A alpha and A beta fibers, they stimulate the substantia gelatinosa. So what can happen? Whenever it is stimulated, it will reduce the pain sensation which is carried through the dorsal horn. And at the same time, they directly go and stimulate the other sensations like touch. So what will happen? The intensity of the pain fibers which was carrying before, that is will get reduced. This mechanosensitive receptors are basically closing the gate of pain fibers. So what happens here is, they close the gate, that is the pain fibers which are carrying through the dorsal horn. So what is the advantage of this? The advantage of this is, behind all the mechanisms like acupuncture as well as TENS. What is this TENS? TENS is transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation. In cases of extremely painful conditions, these kinds of acupuncture and TENS, they help. What they basically do is, they are basically stimulating our A alpha and A beta fibers. When they get stimulated, the pain pathway is gated, which is giving a relief out of the pain. I hope it's clear. Thank you for listening. We'll see you in the next video.